to reduce the sour flavor from pineapple, I add some bean sprout. And when we add some bean sprout like this, I mean that the food is more yummy and the taste is really good. For ingredients for this food, I have pineapple, bean sprout, green onion, and pig internal organs. Okay, before I fry that meat, I have to boil about 15 minutes and then rinse with the water. Make sure that all the internal organs are clean. Okay, now I start to cut the pineapple. For the pineapple, I cut it in small pieces like this. Yeah. And for this pineapple, it is not so sour because I choose the red one. Okay, so now that is finished for cutting the pineapple, and for green onion we cut it in this size, yeah, in a bit long size. And for the garlic, I have to mince in a small piece like this. And now I chop the pig internal organs. Yeah, for this internal organ, I boil it about 50% cooked. Yes, and now I start to cut it in the small size. Yeah, like this. And for you, you can cut any size that you want. Okay, now that's all for food and vegetable prepared. Okay, so now let's start to fry. After adding the cooking oil, I add the minced garlic and fry it until it becomes a little bit brown. I add the pig internal organ inside and add some ingredients like 1 teaspoon of chicken powder, 1/4 of salt, and 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. And now start to fry to combine together. And I use the medium heat. When I see the pan is a little bit dry, I add some mineral of water. Yeah, and then I cover it about 10 minutes more. Okay, when we cover it, we use the high heat. Now after 10 minutes covering, I put the pineapple and add 1 teaspoon of sugar, and then fry to combine together. We fry it about 3 minutes more. And for the taste, it needs to be a little bit sweet and sour. To reduce the sour taste from the pineapple, I add some bean sprout. And fry it about 2 minutes more. And at last, I only add green onion. That is finished for the food. Okay, looks so yummy, everyone. And the food we can serve with the rice. Thank you so much for your watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Goodbye and good luck.